Marketing automation sounds complicated, but the truth is, it simply means using software to handle your repeated marketing task automatically. Instead of sending every email by yourself, reminding leads manually, or following up one by one, automation does that work for you. Today, we will walk you through the GoHighLevel's marketing automation in a beginner-friendly way so you can understand how it works and how it can help you to save time and grow your business faster. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to use the right tools to work smarter, not harder. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description. By using that link, you can get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel, the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses to get started with GoHighLevel free trial. Now let's come to the main part of the video, a beginner's guide to the GoHighLevel marketing automation. The first thing to know is that how GoHighLevel uses something called workflow. Think of a workflow as a simple machine that runs the steps for you. You set the rules and GoHighLevel does the action. For example, when someone fills out your website form, you can make a workflow that immediately sends them a welcome message. You don't need to check your inbox or type anything. The system takes care of all of it. Inside a workflow, the first thing you choose is the trigger. A trigger is the event that starts with the automation. A trigger can be a new lead, a form submission, a new appointment booking, someone who is clicking on a link in your email, or even someone replying to your message. You simply pick that action and it will start the automation. After the trigger, you add the action. These are the tasks GoHighLevel will do for you. It can send an email, send an SMS, create a task for your team, move a lead to different pipeline stage, or even wait a certain amount of time before doing the next action. For example, you might create a workflow like this. Someone signs up, system sends the email, waits for the certain time, then sends the SMS and assign the lead to your sales team. All of this happen automatically. Automation is helpful because it makes sure no lead is left behind. Many businesses lose sales because they reply too late or forget to the follow-up. With GoHighLevel, the follow-up is consistent on every time. Leads get the fast messages and your team gets notified instantly. Another useful automation feature is the appointment reminders. You can create a workflow to remind clients before their appointment, send a confirmation message, and even send a follow-up. This kind of automated message and meeting will help a lot. This reduces no-shows and makes sure your business look more professional. GoHighLevel also lets you automate your sales pipeline. When a lead takes an action like replying to your message or clicking on your link, you can automatically move them to the next stage of your pipeline. This helps you to clearly see which leads are hot, which leads need follow-up, and which ones are ready to close. If you run the ads or landing pages, GoHighLevel can collect leads from those places and send them straight into your workflow. This means you don't need to manually copy or transfer the leads from one platform to another. A helpful tip for the beginners is that start with small automation. Don't try to build a huge complicated workflow on the first day. Begin with the simple things that like welcome messages, basic follow-up, and the appointment reminders. Once you feel comfortable, you can create more advanced automation. So that's it basically. I hope now you understand. GoHighLevel marketing automation helps a beginner to save time, avoid missed leads, and run a more professional business. With triggers, actions, reminders, and pipeline updates, the system handles many tasks automatically, so you can focus more on real work and closing sales. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this guide helped you to understand GoHighLevel automation, give the video a like and share it with others. And don't forget to check the link from description to get the 30 days free trial link and some exclusive bonuses on GoHighLevel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.